So I just uploaded a video showing you guys how to get about 90% of the S Pen functionality back onto the Galaxy Z Fold 7. And a lot of you guys have been asking if the stylus causes any damage to the screen. Well, as you can see, I'm pushing down pretty hard on this with nearly 2 pounds of force on this screen. This is way harder than you would ever actually write on this screen. Nobody should be pushing this hard on a screen ever to write with anything. And if I pick this up, you can see that there are no scratches whatsoever. This stylus works perfectly fine. You're not going to have any issues with it. But if you had a bunch of sand and dirt on the screen and then started to use the stylus, well, yeah, that's going to scratch the screen like crazy. This isn't jerry-rig everything. If you want to see someone go scratch up their screen, go check out Zach's video. I'm going to go very carefully remove this dirt from the screen. And if you guys want to see how you can get 90% of your S Pen functionality back on your Galaxy Z Fold 7, you can check out this video here. That's it for this tech episode. Jesus loves you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. And I know someone's going to ask if the dirt scratched anything just being on the screen, and the answer is no. I got it all off, and there's not a single scratch there.